What's up everyone, Brandon Charleston here. If you're running LinkedIn outbound through HeyReach, you know the dashboard is great. But if you're like me, you want to go faster. You want your agents managing campaigns, you want your data flowing without having to click through any tabs or logins. So with that, I built HeyReach CLI, a full command line tool that covers the entire HeyReach API, which gives your AI agents full control without having to log into anything. You have your campaigns, inbox, lead lists, stats, all right from your terminal. And every single command doubles as an MCP tool, which means your AI agents can run your LinkedIn outreach natively. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to set it up and how to use it. This just takes all about 60 seconds to install. Let's go ahead and dive in. First and foremost, if you're not already familiar with OpenClaw, definitely check it out, or you might be still in a closet, I don't know. But with that said, go to openclaw.ai and get yourself familiar with it. It is basically an AI agent where you can install it in any configuration you want, any chat app. You can put it on a computer, you can put it on a VPS like DigitalOcean or anything like that. And we are doing this as an agents as a service at top of funnel. So we are deploying agents all day, every day, and it is definitely doing a lot of things, very valuable stuff with businesses when done right. So I would just say check it out. Definitely check out the documentation as well, so you can get yourself familiar just by clicking here. And if you go to docs.openclaw.ai, definitely get yourself familiar with how to configure it, all of the the manual stuff, reading the manual kind of thing, so that way you're not going to get yourself in any scenarios that you don't want to be in, right? The next part here is being able to configure it with context and capability. When you give it context, you're actually telling it what it needs to do. You're giving it an identity. You're giving it a context around your business, right? So if you're doing growth, sales, and automations and things like that, you're going to want to give it as much context as possible, so that way it knows what tools that it needs to do. Then we give it capabilities, which is where the fun part is. So if you just go to top of funnel, which is our site, I am always deploying new CLIs all the time, but specific to this use case and video, we're going to go to resources, go to agent tool and CLIs, and then we're just going to scroll down and we're just going to click on HeyReach. HeyReach, basically, as you know, is an automation tool that allows us to scale your social network on LinkedIn. And I did open source it. So by all means, if you're a developer and you see anything that could be used to improve it, please let me know or submit a pull request and we'll get it figured out. But I intend to open source, just like here, to be able to know how people can actually use this better, right? So we can just continuously share the knowledge and things like that. Very simply, all you need to do is just install from NPM. So if you just click on this, there's really just one command line, which is just this right here. And all I do is just copy it, and then you're just going to go to your agent to be able to, basically run it in the terminal. However you configured your agent, you're usually going to do this from some sort of terminal base or agent to set it up. Yes, you have agents setting up agents, right? That's the thing nowadays. Sounds fake, but it's very real. So you're going to want to install it. And what this is going to do is actually going to install the code inside of its environment. So that way, basically a CLI tool it gives it the skills, which you can see right here. And it allows us to know exactly what API endpoints are around something like HeyReach. And then it's going to wrap them into a tool. So that way it has the skills, it has all the tools, and then it's effectively just going to call those tools with high accuracy. So that way you're not running into bugs, or it's not writing scripts and running into all these edge cases, right? That's the biggest thing here. If you're not signed up for HeyReach, by all means, I'll sign up for HeyReach. But you'll see just with this resource here, it provides insights around why you need it or when to use it, right? So you can do a number of use cases, which is actually add campaigns, right? You can launch and manage campaigns. You can have access to your unified inbox. You can do lead enrichment and tagging, campaign analytics, such as how are my campaigns performing. Anything you want to do on the front end, you can do right from your agent, literally like inside Slack or Telegram or WhatsApp, however you're actually talking to them, right? As I mentioned, you have the install right here, which this just means npm install. This means globally, and then we're just calling HeyReach CLI, right? And it's going to know what to do from there. If you even tell your agent just to install it, a lot of times actually it'll do it itself, because a lot of agents will just configure their own environment. But I would say it's up to you, and it's at your own risk. If you haven't installed it, it's hard to even know if it actually did and worked, right? It 99% is going to work, but you just sometimes it doesn't know the configuration, or it might not have the environment permissions to actually install something, right? So that's why it's best to kind of surgically go into the back end. But you can install it right from Slack, where it auto installs itself, and then you could provide an API key. I can't say and recommend to do that, but I do know that it works and you can do that. Just know the risks of when you post your API key and it gets tokenized, that you could be at risk. So I always recommend just basically using it from the back end. You'll get an authentication, right? It'll ask for API key. And then this gives all your agent campaigns, unified inbox, pretty self-explanatory, right? So these are just some simple use cases of create a prospect list, et cetera, et cetera. And then this is exactly what it does. This is my intent here to show you, if I were to prompt the agent and it does the things, like what does it actually do, right? These are what you call flags. So basically you don't really need to know all that, but this is kind of what happens under the hood, right? These are all just the very simple use cases. And I'm basically just going to say, this is my trusted chief of AI staff, Eve. And if you've seen WALL-E, it's one of our favorite movies for myself and my family. We're just going to say, hey, Eve, how are my campaigns running with HeyReach? And you could just literally use natural language. It'll even monitor. I have Eve check my inbox every day to say, hey, you connected with XYZ, you connected with so-and-so, you want me to draft up a reply? And I could say, yeah, draft up a reply. And then you just send a message and it literally fires off the messages for you. It's literally right from Slack. So you could be, out and about on your Slack messaging, on your phone, anything like that. But that's generally, that's how it works. It's pretty simple, right? So no need to log in or anything like that. All right, perfect. So I just said, hey, Eve, how are my campaigns running with HeyReach? And she says, here's your full HeyReach rundown. Gives me all of my active campaigns, pause, finished, okay, things that I need attention to, right? And it gives me my acceptance rate, all good. And campaign is going through nicely, right? And we put a little heart there because Eve's got a little personality. Then we're say, what messages have I received and who do I need to reach out to? All right. And again, Eve knows context. She knows our business. She knows how to use. She has the skills, right? It comes down to two things, context and capability. All right, perfect. And then we just said, what messages have I received and who do I need to reach out to? Eve says, here's your inbox breakdown. Need your attention, 5 people, okay? These are people who I've connected with, right? And she's also saying, routine here, no response needed. Okay, 275 unseen conversations. Oh, I need to do some catching up, right? Want me to draft replies for the top 5? Yes, please. Draft replies for the top 5, but do not send until I say good to go. All right, perfect. So it just drafted up some replies. Basically, it's saying, hey, Paul, start of the year has been great. Honestly, nonstop. True story. And then we have other replies here. Okay, so this is very much drafting a reply. And then she just says, let me know which one to send or if any edits you want. And I can basically say, yeah, let's send to so-and-so. Let's send to Mike. Let's send to Paul. Anything like that. But I'm literally controlling and doing HeyReach actions on LinkedIn right from my Slack. That is exactly what I'm talking about here. This is the thing, right? And I guess the big takeaway here is you can literally be on Telegram, WhatsApp, Slack, anything like that. And when you configure an agent such as Eve, where you have full context on the business, everything persists, right? So you back up memory, things like that. But now she has context and capabilities of actually using HeyReach to connect with people and be able to send them messages and manage and monitor campaigns. And we'll be able to save time and do a lot more productive human things, right? So that right there is basically how you install it using your OpenClaw agent, where it can literally use the CLI, which is inside of OpenClaw's environment. And you can literally do, like I mentioned, as everything that you want inside of a HeyReach platform. If you want to configure as an MCP server, you would essentially do the same thing, except you would do it within your harness like Claude Code or Cursor or anything like that. And it would basically double as an MCP server with the same amount of tools. So with that, that's all from me. I just wanted to, like I said, just share what I created here with HeyReach CLI because it works well for us. We need it for Tofu as well as the clients that we work with. And I am open sourcing it and hope that you get good value at it as well. As always, if you see good value, I would appreciate the share and the like and the subscribe. And again, I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.